Today we learn about the modal verb may for formal permission. May is the most polite and formal way to ask for permission in English. Use may when speaking to teachers, bosses, or in formal situations. May I use your phone? May I leave early? May we begin the meeting? These are perfect examples of formal permission questions. Notice may always comes before the subject in questions. The word order is may plus subject plus verb. Can is used for casual, everyday permission. Can I borrow your pen? Can we go outside? Can I open the window? Use can with friends and family or in formal situations. Can feels more relaxed than may. Can I leave early? You can use my laptop. No, you cannot go outside now. Can works for both asking and giving permission in casual settings. Notice cannot or cannot contracts to cannot in negative sentences. Could makes requests more polite than can. Could I leave the room for a moment? Could you please help me with this? Could we start the meeting now? Could sounds very courteous and respectful. May is most formal permission. Could is polite permission. Can is casual permission. Choose your modal based on the situation and relationship with the person. More formal equals more polite. Practice time. First sentence, I blank use your phone. Second, blank I leave early. Third, you blank sit here. Think about the situation. Is it formal, polite, or casual? Choose the right modal verb. Here are the correct answers. I may use your phone ? May I leave early ? You can sit here . May for formal phone request. May for formal leaving. Can for casual seating.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.